Hi, I'm going to show you how to calculate the integral of square root of 3 minus 2x minus x2 dx. Okay, so 3 minus 2x minus x2, you can write it as 4 minus x plus 1 with the power of 2. Okay, therefore you can rewrite this integral of as integral of square root of, instead of 3 minus 2x minus x2, I write this expression, that is 4 minus x plus 1 with the power of 2 dx. Okay, and this integral you can solve it using the substitution rule. That is, if you define x plus 1 as u, therefore dx will be equal to du. Okay, so here all you need to do is to substitute these two expressions into this integral. Therefore, this integral will be equal to integral of square root of 4 minus, instead of x plus 1 with the power of 2, I write u2. Okay, because x plus 1 is u, therefore x plus 1 with the power of 2 is u2, and instead of dx I write du. Okay, so now you have to calculate the integral of square root of 4 minus u2 du. Okay, so from table of integral there is an equation for this type of integral, that is integral of square root of a2 minus u2 is equal to u divided by 2 times square root of a2 minus u2 plus a2 divided by 2 sine minus 1 u divided by a plus c. Okay, so this equation is given, this formula is given in the table of integral. So here we can use this formula basically to solve this integral, and here the a is equal to 2. Okay, therefore you can let's go to the next slide. Therefore you can solve this integral as that will be equal to u divided by 2, right, times square root of a2 minus u2, and a is equal to 2, therefore that will be 4 minus u2 plus a2 divided by 2, and a was 2, therefore a2 is 4 divided by 2 will be 2 times sinus minus 1 u divided by a, which is equal to 2, plus c, which is the constant of the integral. So all you need to do here is to substitute this parameter u with the definition of the u, which was x plus 1. So therefore this one will be equal to, instead of u I put x plus 1 divided by 2 times square root of 4 minus, instead of u I write x plus 1 with the power of 2 plus 2 sine minus 1, instead of u I write x plus 1 divided by 2 plus c, which is the constant of the integral. And this is the solution to our integral. I hope you found this video helpful.